Alrighty.
Okay, we're in Smith-Haven Mall. Shop right here, and also GameStop, and also pretzel stands right there by the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Cool.
Good. So how much is SmartWater? It is $4. $4 for
$4?
SmartWater. Designer water.
That's it.
This is $3.
That's incredible water.
Coke. This is $3. Parade's $3.25 for Parade. Vitalware is $4. Diet Coke. This is $3. Natural Orange. This is $3.
All right. Now what?
Okay. So Vitalware, we don't get that anymore.
How come?
It's got a lot of sugar.
Okay.
That's also is no good for Vitalware. That's not exercise with Vitalware. That's not good for you.
Okay.
We have to do half water with that one.
Okay.
And this is Diet Coke. We eat with that with soft shells with Diet Coke. Mix it half water, so it's good. Mix it half water, so
You
it's
like
good.
you like Diet Coke with stuffed shells?
Yeah, yep, with that. And this is Coke with Pasta and Meatballs. Remember, this is Coke. We're gonna have half water, so it's good. Mix it half water. We exercise, mix it half water, so it's good.
Okay.
This is Parade. We're gonna half water exercise with Parade, so it's good. Mix it half water, so it's good. Diet Coke. This is fake sugar and Coke. We got high fruit destroyed syrup of Coke, Parade fruit punch, high fruit destroyed syrup, and Fanchon orange high fruit destroyed syrup.
Yep.
And this is healthy. This is designer water. This is SmartWater, so very healthy, but not Vital water. Vital water is no good for you.
Okay. So what you gonna get?
Good. We got one down. All
One
right.
down?
Try it for what? There we go. Try this again.
There you go. Alright, what you gonna do?
Good. So SmartWater is $4. Let's get a shot here.
Give it a shot?
Okay. Now Vital water is no good for you. We're gonna get a SmartWater. Good. That's a healthy choice. All right.
Alright, we all done? Yeah?
Let's get a little shot.
You got enough money?
Shot it. Make sure this is so nice and flat. Let's fix it all nice. Fix that one. Nice and flat.
What do you need? You got change?
There we go. Yep.
You
A
got
couple
enough
more.
change?
Quick.
You need what? Another $1?
Need a couple more.
That's it, buddy. You got any more change? What do you got? There you go.
There we go. Let's get Coke.
Okay.
There we go. This is good divided. Alright. You can hold that one.
Want me to hold that? Okay. Now what?
And shaking it up, make sure it doesn't get spilled. You use to drop it. Make sure all the gas out. Make sure, hurry up. Make sure you let the gas out. Alright. I'm around on YouTube along with the step. Make sure. Good. SmartWater is better than Vital water. This is much better.
Okay. So you all done?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yep.